A lot of clouds today. Temperatures not quite as warm, of course, as they could be if there was a lot of sunshine. Been kind of stuck mostly in the mid-70s last few hours. Still at 73 in Harlingen and most everywhere in the lower valley. You see 73 is a popular number. 75 in McAllen, and probably not cooling off very much at all this evening. A lot of clouds around. The humidity's going up too. Dew points yesterday were way down here at the bottom of the scale. Very dry, cool air. Now it's going back up with dew points in the 60s, so we can't drop below that number of 61 tonight. We'll probably only drop into the mid-60s tonight. So tomorrow, your day planner starts off with clouds again, maybe a couple sprinkles in the morning. I don't think it's going to rain very much tomorrow in most places, maybe just a shower here and there in spots as the day goes on with temperatures rising back to around 80 or so. But some of the models hint if we do get warm enough, we might be able to build up enough moisture and heat to cause a heavier shower or thunderstorm briefly in spots. So most of the time, probably not like that. But later in the afternoon, maybe one or two thunderstorms trying to pop up somewhere in or near the valley. Dry across Texas now, but it is going to be a messy weekend. If you're traveling, it's going to rain a lot, mainly to our north, though. Not as much rain here, but central and eastern Texas up, say, like Houston, College Station, between there and San Antonio, could be very wet. Future track here, we'll show you first, keeps mainly clouds around tonight. May start to see a sprinkle in spots after midnight, and then during the day tomorrow, probably just clouds all day, and occasionally a sprinkle or a light rain shower could pop up, but most of the time just clouds. You might see the sun filter through once in a while. Tomorrow night, still maybe a couple of small showers in spots, and then during the daytime on Saturday. Saturday is the day when I think the moisture kind of gets pushed a little bit farther to the north, so we may actually warm up more on Saturday and have less showers during the daytime. But in the evening hours, there's another chance that maybe the front to the northwest could kind of push back in. So you see by 5 p.m., Future Track's trying to show the rain and maybe a thunderstorm developing and kind of spreading and increasing during Saturday evening and night, especially closer to midnight and later. So also, we'll be tracking a front moving through, not a strong front, but it should turn the winds around more toward the north and northwest on Sunday. Depending on how fast that happens, we could cool off pretty quickly or kind of take our time cooling off, but there's still a good chance of showers on Sunday. In terms of rainfall amounts, not much initially. Tomorrow looks like very little rain, less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. Even through Saturday, most of the day, not very much, but you do see some heavier rain potentially by evening across areas of the valley, especially to the west. Now, future track overall across Texas, this is what I'm talking about, a messy weekend. You see how Friday afternoon we start to see some rain up to the north, and then by Friday night and Saturday it starts to really light up with more rain and some thunderstorms across central and eastern Texas. And some of these areas, central and eastern Texas, could have maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain in spots through the weekend and Monday. So if you're traveling central Texas, eastern Texas for the weekend, including the Hill Country and Houston, might be pretty stormy and wet. So your first 1570 forecast, 80s here, generally at least low 80s Friday and Saturday with clouds most of the time and showers at times. Best chance of some rain may be focused around Saturday night and Sunday morning when that weak front kind of rolls through, and then showers are still possible all the way through Monday morning before it dries out for a couple of days of warmer weather. Another cold front cools us by next Thursday. Keep tracking these fronts in your first 4 and 5 forecast coming up.